Zibadeli. Oh, oh, yeah. Don't know how I'm feeling, got me overthinking about my worries. Every day I'm cruising, not ever cool, out on fire. Olush, I'm not me, but if I'm not, who else am I gonna be? But this busting loose, but if Father save me, cause no one can understand. Every single day I laugh, even when it's not funny. Wanna make me happy, even when there's no reason. Can somebody save me? I don't know what to do, so give me a reason. Ooh, somebody ginger me, yeah, yeah. Somebody ginger me. Tell me it's gonna be alright. Tell me I'm gonna make it, nah, nah. Somebody ginger me, yeah, yeah. Somebody ginger me. Tell me it's gonna be alright. Tell me I'm gonna make it. I cry. Only Father wipe my tears away. I pray, but never will it be enough. Ooh. I call on my mama, but she can never take my pains away. I call on my friends, but I don't wanna be the gossip topic. I turn on my radio, listen to news, which is none of my business. I try to go to club and go with the girls just to find myself, but can somebody save me? I don't know what to do, so give me a reason, cause I'm losing my mind. Somebody ginger me, yeah, yeah.